In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in QuickBooks Online. Being able to customize your fields in QuickBooks Online is an invaluable feature that allows you to tailor your financial management system to better suit your business's unique needs. Custom fields can help you keep track of more specific data points than the default fields allow, providing a more detailed and organized view of your business finances. To begin, navigate to QuickBooks Online and direct your attention to the gear icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of your screen. This gear icon is your gateway to various customization options and settings within QuickBooks Online. By clicking on it, you're essentially opening up a menu that gives you access to tools to personalize your QuickBooks experience. Once you've clicked the gear icon, look for the option that says Custom Fields and select it. This section is dedicated to the creation and management of custom fields, allowing you to modify how financial data is captured and organized. Now, custom fields can play a crucial role in enhancing how you manage your data, so you want to get this step right. Now, let's create a new custom field. To do this, click on the Add Custom Field button. This choice allows you to initiate the process of defining a specific field tailored to your requirements and goals. Here, customization is your best ally, ensuring you gather information that's pertinent and beneficial to your business. As you're adding your new custom field, the first step is to enter a name for this field. This name should be descriptive enough to hint at its purpose or the type of information it will hold. Providing your custom field with a clear name aids in quick recognition and ease of use later on, especially if you manage multiple fields. Next, you'll need to specify the data type for your new custom field. This decision is pivotal as it defines what kind of data the field will accept, be it text, numbers, dates, or another format that makes sense for your intended use case. Selecting the correct data type ensures accuracy and consistency with how data is managed within your system. Once you've chosen the data type, proceed to select a category for your custom field. QuickBooks Online offers you several choices here, including customer, transactions, vendor, and project. Picking the right category aligns your custom field with the relevant section of your financial management, enhancing data organization and retrieval. Finally, decide on the forms to which this field can be applied. This is where you pinpoint the specific documents within QuickBooks that will benefit from having this additional piece of tailored information. This step ensures that your custom field is utilized effectively across the right channels. After reviewing your choices and ensuring that everything is set up correctly, click Save to finalize the creation of your custom field. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom field to your QuickBooks Online account. This process empowers you to capture and analyze business data in a way that best supports your operational and financial objectives.